Avalanche on the daily chart, we got a pullback over here. When looking for 𝗪𝗍 support, I'm looking at the history of this chart, looking for other pullbacks with similar in dollar amount. Going to start to map out my 𝗪𝗍 support, clicking from that pivot high, pivot low, pivot high. Now I got two more over here. Pivot high, pivot low, pivot high. That'll be my second price relationship. In addition, I have another one over here as well. Pivot high, pivot low, pivot high. Now to take a quick look, this pivot right here, this pivot high to pivot low, is very similar to this pullback over here in dollar amount. Now this one just took a lot longer for that pivot high to pivot low to get there. This one took a matter of days. But we're seeing how these patterns are repeating themselves in dollar amount. This pullback, very similar to this one over here. Now in addition, I like to evaluate if there's some 𝗪𝗍 support matching up with some Fibonacci retracements. When I make a pull, we do have a 618 that also matches up with a single 𝗪𝗍 support right below that area. Now I'm going to zoom in a little bit and go on to my hourly chart. On the hourly chart, we do have Avalanche trading below that 200 moving average on the hourly chart. You want to be patient with charts like this right now in this market environment. It has to continue the series of higher highs and higher lows, get up above this 200 moving average on the hourly before considering going long or adding to more of your position. Not financial advice. Let's just say if it starts to do what I just said previously, getting up above that 200, then you're position sizing in, but you're setting your stop below this pivot low, just in case this chart goes against you, slices through this potential area of support, take your small loss, move on to another chart. If you'd like to learn how to find high probability setups using Fibonacci analysis, check out my course in the descriptions below. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, subscribe now. Hit that notification button. Our first goal is 1,000 subs. We go over cryptocurrencies as well as US equities. Love to hear from you in the comments area. Talk to you soon.